guys, welcome to the YouTube Make Station. My name is Gabrielle and I'm here to take you through some really awesome projects. As always, if you enjoyed making this with me today, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and follow for more. Today we are going to be making this really awesome exploding floral banner drawing. This is really great for ages like 7 or 8 plus. Obviously you can try at any age to do this drawing, but we're gonna make all of these really lovely flowers in this banner, and this design really makes for a great custom birthday card or a card for your friends or family. So if you wanna make this with me, just keep on watching. Wonderful, so you can grab a pencil and we are going to get started. So we're just going to start with the top of our banner. So we're gonna do like a little swirly here. And then you can do a bit of a wavy line, so you can go up a little bit, come down. And that's going to be the top of our banner. Then for the side of our banner, you can just curve down just a little bit like that. And then we're gonna start on the other side, so we're gonna curve down, just do a straight line down, then curving to the side. And you wanna follow parallel to that top line that we first drew. And then we're gonna end it with another little swirl. Beautiful. Then to make it look 3D, we're going to do 2 lines going down from the inside of the swirl and the outside of the swirl there. And that just gives it that folded paper look. And then we're going to start drawing our flowers. So I first started with this hibiscus looking flower. So I started with the inside little hibiscus pieces, and then I added the petals. So going around here, I just added some petals, and the way I like to do petals are just kind of like blobby shapes, just trying to make them look natural. You can do your flowers however you would like to. And then I did another type of flower. I'm not too sure which one this is, but some fun looking flower, and I just did really wobbly petals, and then I did lines on the inside of this flower to give it some texture. And then I added a second hibiscus flower. So again, I started with the inside of the flower, the little like stem pieces on the inside, and then I added the petals. So again, just kind of organic oval shapes like this, and you can add however many petals you would like to. They can also be layered. And then at the bottom, I added another one of the middle flower that I had done. So again, just more like wobbly petals with the texture on the inside. So those lines to give it some texture. You can also do your flowers however you'd like to. If you want to add some roses, or you want to do tulips, or any flower that you like to draw, some sunflowers maybe, or if this is a card for somebody, you can choose their favorite flowers. And if there's any flower tutorials that you would like me to do in the future, just let me know. I can definitely do that. And then for this flower, I like doing this flower because it's super simple. You just start with the center being a whole bunch of tiny little circles. And then for the petals, we're just doing these blob shapes. So we do small blobs, then medium-sized blobs, then big blobs. And they're all kind of attached to each other. It's very easy. So you just want it to be layered like that. And there's no right or wrong way to do it. And then I added that flower in again. So I guess that center flower is, oh my goodness, I cannot remember the name now. It feels like it starts with a C, but I can't remember. I can see the flower in my head though. But you know what I mean. They're very like textured, layered flower. Perfect. So just add those lines in. And then once you're done that, we're going to add kind of those vines. So I like to do vines just by creating tiny little leaf shapes that are all attached. So we usually do like a line and then add a whole bunch of tiny little leaves, just like that. Sorry, my hand was kind of covering right there. So just little leaves like that. So a line with a leaf, and then a leaf, a line with a leaf, and a leaf. And then I just keep adding more lines with leaves. You can also do your vines however you'd like to. You could do bigger leaves. You can make it more of a tropical banner and do some like big palm leaves or banana leaves, however you would like. I was kind of debating there where to put my vine. Perfect. Then when you're done that, you can write on the inside whatever you would like. I wrote Maker's Gonna Make because why not? But you can write whatever you'd like on the inside. Again, if it's a card for somebody's birthday or for your parents or grandparents or just a friend, you can write their name, or you could write like an inspirational quote on the inside. It is totally up to you. Or you can write Maker's Gonna Make. Whenever I do text, I also like to change it from cursive to non-cursive writing. And it just gives it more dimension. I think it looks a little bit better, but again, totally up to you. Wonderful. Then I grabbed a brown marker and did my banner brown. You can do your banner whatever color you would like to, so I just filled it in with a light brown. And if you like any of the markers that we're using, I have them linked down below. You can go check them out. They're awesome. And then I took a darker brown and just colored in that inside part of the banner just to give it some shadow and dimension. And then I took an even darker brown and went in again underneath that shadow there just to give slightly more dimension. But you can do it however you would like. Then taking any marker colors that you would like, you can color them in. I did kind of color coded my flowers, so all the flowers that matched were all the same colors, but you can totally do yours rainbow if you would like to, or all the same color. It is definitely up to you. And then I colored in my little vines, and then once you've done that, you are all done this banner. I hope you loved making it, and please send us some photos. I would love to see how they turned out. And if you enjoyed drawing this with me, please make sure to follow and subscribe. We post new videos every week.